Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 329 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called 5 Senses Calm, a gentle way to ground yourself through simple awareness. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and gently exhale. Begin by noticing what you can see. Shapes, shadows, colors. Allow your eyes to rest on one thing without judgment. Shift to what you can hear. Close sounds, distant sounds, and the quiet rhythm beneath everything. Now notice what you can feel. The temperature of the air, the weight of your body, and the texture of what supports you. Bring your attention to what you can smell. Something faint, familiar, or neutral. Just notice without trying to change anything. Finally, tune into what you can taste. Just the natural taste in your mouth, subtle, steady, and present. Take one last deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let these senses remind you that you are here in this moment, grounded, safe, and connected to your life as it's happening. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.